Hi, this is Prabodh Mad. I am a developer with RTC. In this video, I am going to show you how to accept a change set with a gap in RTC 405 for Visual Studio Client.
We are going to backport a cherry-picked change to the maintenance stream. We already have the maintenance repository workspace loaded and there are no incoming or outgoing changes in this. We also have a task 174 which tracks this. It says that there are more details about this bug in defect 168. So let us traverse to this. Let me go to links page. So this is the change that we need to backport. Before that, let us verify that this change is not already there in our maintenance stream. For that, we'll use locate change set editor. Here let me add maintenance stream and let me also add maintenance repository workspace. So we see that the change is not there currently in maintenance stream or maintenance workspace. Let me close this. Now we'll accept this change. This dialog says that there are certain change sets prior to this which are not there in the repository workspace, so a gap would be created. Just press OK here. After the accept is complete, we see that a merge gap editor has opened automatically. That's because the change set could not be accepted cleanly. This is the editor that we use for resolving merge conflicts. Let us first talk about the changes section. It lists the changes that need to be resolved in order for the change set to be accepted completely. Here we see that there is one change that needs to be resolved. So let me expand this changes folder. So this is the change that we need to resolve. So I click on this, say merge. This dialog says that the compare editor that opens up will be hiding the outgoing changes. This opens up compare merge editor in three-way mode. The top pane shows the before state of the file, the right pane shows the after state of the file, and the left pane shows the current state.
So by comparing the before state and after state,
we know the exact change that went into this change set. Let me copy this change and paste here. File and save. We'll close this. Okay. At this point, we are done with all the changes that we wanted to make for this file. So we'll mark it as done. Now we see that there are no more unresolved changes. Now let us take a look at the resulting change set section. This section is used to inspect the changes that we made earlier. So here we see that the change that we made earlier has already got checked in. The same change also appears in the outgoing folder in the pending changes view. Now let us change the comment for this to backport, and we'll also associate a work item to this. Now we are done with all the changes that we wanted to make for this change set. So we'll mark this as complete. Here it tells me that a link would be created between the source change set and the target change set. This is what we wanted, so we'll say yes. Now all the merges are complete, so the port editor will close automatically. Now let us verify the change that we made from the outgoing change set. So I'll open in compare editor. All looks good, so we'll go ahead and deliver this change. Now let us make the same check. We'll verify whether the change set has made it to the maintenance stream or not. So for that we'll again use the locate change set editor. I'll add maintenance stream and I'll also add maintenance repository workspace. So now we see that the change set appears in both maintenance stream as well as maintenance repository workspace. Now the interesting thing is it shows me that the change is not included directly, but rather it has been included indirectly. What it means is that it is not the exact change set which has been searched for, but rather it is a semantically equivalent change set that has been included in the search. Let me click on show result details. Here it shows me that this change set has been included indirectly and it has been included by a backported change set.